Ladies and gents, we are going to place your files for the exhibit layout that we did in this folder location. What do you see up here? So it's, again, under my name, under our class folder, which you all know by now. We're going to put it in week 4 under module 1 drop folder. So, I mean, all of our drops are going to happen the week after the module. So in case you guys don't recall, in the, do I have it open? I don't have it open anymore. But in the syllabus, our modules are broken up into 3-week chunks until the final, which is a 4-week chunk. Okay, so it's 3 weeks. So the 4th week you'll have a drop folder. The 7th week you'll have a drop folder. And then the 10th week you'll have a drop folder. And that's going to be for our final assignment for that module. Okay, so this is it. Module 1 drop folder. Please name it with your name. So when you go to that folder, that is not the way to name it. So switch it to a PDF. Remember, I'm collecting PDFs only, not the Photoshop file. And you can call it whatever you want at the back end, but you can just say Kevin Grenling, Module 1, Keen Exhibit, something like that. Okay? So please name it, relatively speaking, with your name first. Any questions? No questions. Okay, that's your drop instructions.
So we don't have